Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a strong desire to swipe something. And I am going to grab a copious amount of my Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold and put it just slightly to one side of the middle. And hope that it decides not to run over. And maybe a little bit of the same with some orange in it. Then I really want to use, good question, my Venetian blue. My Artist Loft turquoise. Something tells me I should be ready to stop because there's quite a bit of paint on there already. And the electric blue. The question is, does it want to go here or there? I think it's going to go right next to the cobalt blue from Artist Loft is very turquoise metallic. I'm not sure I can allow myself to do this without purple though. But I could use the purple cell activator. That might work nicely. I could also just use my favorite purple flash that's color shifting from Folk Art. Yeah, that's the ticket right there. I'm kind of expecting this to look like reflections. I'm thinking about taking an edge catcher and letting everything fall over on each side really quickly. Again, I used to do this. I should be able to do it again. I'm sorry if you're in the dark. I kind of like that actually. Just like it is. I could stop now, so could you? See if we can get it to go over. Some of it will. Some of it's not moving as quickly as I'd like it to. I.e. this up here. And I'm seeing those little black gaps, and they're kind of cool. But they remind me that I like to put white in. Some Anita's white metallic. Also, I've been playing with a new trick where I put stripes of cell activator on, and I might want to do that now too. So let me grab. Can I do a longer one? I think this might call for a wider sheet. So let's go. That's not really, that's a lot of stripes. I have to do something about my Aussie Floetrol with the white Amsterdam because it's much heavier than the black for some reason. I don't know why. Alright, I'm going from the middle out. I expect this to be totally awesome. After that especially. Get my scraped, come on, open up. Get my scrape dish so I can use it. Look at those. Those are just beautiful. I didn't even use my color shifting turquoise and it looks like it's in there already. So if I'd have made myself a dip of the black and the white, it would be a lot faster. That's not what I was expecting this to look like, but now that I changed my mind halfway through the setup to decide that's what was going to happen. It's okay with me because I really love the stripes. They're just awesome. I may not do them on both sides though. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see how I feel about it in a minute. I might do them with purple too. So far so good. The stripes are kind of disappearing, so I don't think I need to worry too much about it. But we've got cells, magnificent cells. I wonder why the stripes are coming out so different from each other. I'm thinking just the purple. I've got extra paint on there. The purple is a dioxazine purple from Master's Touch. I either need more of it or more of something. I think I'm going to double swipe that. I hate to do it. Hopefully that won't be a problem. I'm going to add a lot more cell activator. Try to stop hitting the camera with my head. I can try. I'm going to move that down and use all my extra paint on the edge of the canvas. We're getting some beautiful cells. I'm glad I chose to do what I'm doing. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the residual. Yeah, I am. I'm going to use my small tool. And there it is. I'm going to use even more than that. And I like it breaks up the uniformity of the size I was using before. It's also going to let me cheat, I hope, and fix my little indiscretion over there. Alright, I'm going to quick like a bunny torch because I see a couple of bubbles. I think this is fabulous. Makes me want to turn my light on so I can show you, but I'm pretty sure you can see that. These colors are awesome. I have paint on my edge catcher that I can use to cover my edges right where I need it. You don't tell, I won't tell. That's really weird that I got those colors here and there, but I like the difference. I like that it's not the same all the way across. I've got enough paint to cover my edge. I don't think I need to do much of anything else. I might want to blow into that center section. Just to make it more interesting. Knowing those colors are in there. Makes it easy to want to mess with them. But sometimes it's best to leave well enough alone. But I don't know if I always know how to do that. So, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm almost to the point where I can safely say I could call this done and be pretty happy with it. I will be touching up one edge at least. That one's done. That one needs something. And I've got plenty of paint right on my edge catcher. That should blend in no problem. And one black edge. Okay, so you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2200 videos on my playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. I'm going to torch again. Or for the first time. I have incredibly beautiful cells coming up. And a wonderful, wonderful pattern of lacing everywhere. I like the stripe effect, even if it's not uniform. I know I keep saying that. Who's in denial? Not me. Sorry, I get silly after 5 o'clock. I love you guys. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations through PayPal that keep me painting, and have done so for a while. If you'd like to be in the monthly drawing by making a contribution through PayPal, you'll be automatically entered, and you can see the prizes that are being offered in that monthly drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video that I include on all of the end screens for every video. Can you see better? Maybe a little bit. Let's zoom in there and have a look. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cells. This is going to look really good in the thumbnail, and this is going to dry awesomely. It does, to me right now, it does not look anything like it does in person through the monitor. The turquoise that's popping up there is awesome. I probably could have used a little more black somewhere in there and gotten some black outline cells, but I really like what I have. Check my link tree underneath the video, and underneath the link tree my email address. My email address is the way to contact me if you want information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Or if you are interested in purchasing an artwork, use the hashtag and the file number from the title of the video. My paint pouring recipe is underneath Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address and the paint pouring recipe and my mixing instructions. If you like what I do, please share it. Please watch it longer. Give me a thumbs up, and your comments are helpful on a number of levels. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. My YouTube channel banner has the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner, but my link tree underneath the video also does. So my Amazon link is on the link tree, and my Legallerist is on the link tree. My Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. My Legallerist is Clothing Made in Montreal, beautiful all over print dresses and kimono tops and more, worth seeing if you have clothing. If you'd like to spend a little money on some clothing, if you'd like to spend less money and still get something totally awesome that you basically designed yourself with my artwork on it, check out the spring clothing below the video, and check out pixels.com and Fine Art America on my link on my link tree. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links also on my link tree. And more Facebook groups: Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More for shopping, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fancy Collectors for looking at older albums, and I'm catching up on artworks. If you have questions, please ask them. I think I covered everything except for maybe I didn't mention 2200 videos, or maybe I did. You can find them by going to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. And if you need a link for anything, I have them all gathered together in one place, and I can help you. The 2200 videos are separated by the 100 by topic and genre, so it's not too hard for me to help you out. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. I will talk to you anon. I post 7 days a week. Morning and late night. Lately, there's been a night owl video at 11:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I'm not sure how long that'll go on, but it's still worth checking on. I love you guys. I think I said that. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.